I ended up buying one. It's actually reflecting. Is that what it's called? Reflectant. Like, I don't really know what everyone's like. Oh my god, they're like so oversized. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch, and I hope you do enjoy. Please remember to follow my Insta if you're not already, to subscribe to my channel if you're not already as well, like this video if you do end up enjoying it, and to share my content with people so I've grown my channel, thank you, and to also click on the post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my content. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch, and I hope you do enjoy. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm basically just gonna be like talking through the Essentials hoodie, because obviously they've become like really popular recently, and yeah, so obviously I ended up buying one. I don't know why I'm so surprised by that. Okay, so rude. I ended up purchasing one, and I'll just give you a quick little show here of it. Yeah, it's obviously it's fire, because yeah, I just wanted to like kind of review it. If that's, oh, that was so cringy, I don't even want to review it because that's like a bit weird, but yeah, I'm basically reviewing the Essentials hoodie. I did get it from a company actually that I will mention in this video. So I bought it from a company on Instagram called Double Boxed. I have like obviously a website and that you can click through from their Instagram page, and can I just say, this video is not at all like sponsored or anything by them, but I just wanted to just put this out there that this is such a good website to order from. They literally have Klarna and ClearPay on there if obviously you wanted to pay your for your jumper in like installments. Like honestly, I ordered mine and it came like 2 days after. I didn't pay for any like delivery or anything, so it literally came so quick. They are based in London, or as it says on their Instagram page. They just do a load of stuff. Yeah, they do more than just essential hoodies. They do like Jordans, other like types of clothing. They obviously do like loads of different colours, and got their prices and stuff. I'll quickly go and click the link onto their website. It will come up with a load of different things, and loads of things that you can purchase, and there are like all legit items, and they'll have like multiple sizes. So which one did I get? I got this one, I think. Yeah, I did. And yeah, so that's it really. Got all the sizes. Honestly, really good, and really like trusted company as well. It has Essentials on the front. I literally did order like the black and black one, so it's kind of like hard to sometimes see the Essentials on it. So like, yeah, but honestly it's really nice. They do a black one with like the white Essentials writing on it, but I just thought the black with the black on was just pretty cool, to be fair. On the hood I have the Essentials logo as well, but if you put your hood up, it is upside down, which is a bit confusing, but it is like when you've got it just sitting on your back, it is actually the right way around. There really isn't much to say about the Essentials hoodie, just because like, I mean, it's a hoodie. I have Essentials here, Fear of God logo on the sleeve. Is actually, I don't know if you can tell, I've got my flash on now, is actually reflecting. Is that what it's called? Reflectant. I don't actually know. Like, you can kind of tell here it's like reflecting, so obviously like if you wear it at night and you've got like a light shining on you, it will reflect. I don't even know what it's called, but you know what I'm on about. But yeah, I just thought that was really sick as well. I did get mine in extra small, and I am normally like a size 8 or 10 on my top, so extra small does fit me. Like, it fits my arms perfectly, it fits my like body perfectly. The only thing is with the extra small, I feel like sometimes it can be a bit tight like around my neck, so you have to like keep pulling it forward a bit. So to be fair, I probably would have just gone for the size small, but I was actually looking at reviews saying they come up big, but they don't really come up extremely big. Like, I don't really know what everyone's like, oh my god, they're like so oversized. Like, they're really not. They're just like a literally normal fit hoodie. So probably if I was to order another essentials hoodie, I would probably get a size small, just only because of that reason. So if you are like a size 10 and 8 women's, I would literally go for like the small, or if you wanted it like oversized, go for the medium. This does actually fit me really nicely, to be fair, so I can't really complain. They're just really nice hoodies, so comfy, so like they're thick, so they're really warm as well. And honestly, I literally couldn't recommend an essentials hoodie enough. But yeah, obviously it's just a hoodie, like it's not, do you know what I mean? But it is really nice, and because they're just really in style at the moment, I thought I'd just hop on the bandwagon and see what the hype was about. I hope this helped anyone that kind of was like wandering to know sizes, because honestly before I bought this, because I mean it is a big investment if it's like over £200 for a hoodie, do you know what I mean? But like I was just kind of searching about like how they would fit and what sizing to buy and stuff. I hope this helped anyone. If this did help, obviously like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you did enjoy, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.